HNT's midday volume is about $6,134,484, which is a lot. Helium is a MAT shows a downward trend, which is usually very important. Helium, in particular, has a medium-term barrier at $5.02, which is really important. The HNT support floor is currently $4.27, which is really important on May 31, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the Helium cost examination for now or for 1 week from now and try to answer these frequently asked questions. What is the current price outlook for Helium? What are the support and resistance levels for Helium? This is very important, but before we get too deep into the HN technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy. This is a huge market analysis over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is why Bitcoin's price dropped to 26,797.21 cents after a loss of 0.42%. This shows that Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, is around 1.1 and is currently trading at 46 cents, which is very important. Moreover, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents, which is especially important. These occasions truly show that the market especially is going in a very descending course for in every practical sense present moment truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking right now. A kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense large way. Helium backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers, used to in every practical sense distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically shows that as far as HNT support floor it generally is presently $4.27 in an unobtrusive manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how it's truly brought about Bitcoin as costs dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors truly become move commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a very enormous manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Helium. Helium execution. The day-to-day outline of Helium in every practical sense shows that the HNT cost generally has a very descending development with a 0.34% decline, and kind of over the past 24 hours, the value of the Helium coin has mostly stayed at $3.05, and its market capitalization is $423,722,611 which is a very big number. The HNT price has changed by $12.01 over the past week, while the trading volume has been around $6,134,484. Helium cost examination. HNT cost investigation for the 23rd of May 2023 inside and in every practical sense day-to-day time span especially made sense of beneath so various elective digital currencies as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to $1,813.92. During the past 24 hours, so yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the HNT specialized investigation by and large. Let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they in every practical sense thought. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index moving essentially normal assembly and uniqueness backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really basic moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving normal, to sort of investigate the future development of the Helium, showing the Helium support in opposition levels, and so on in every practical sense in spite of prevalent thinking. While HNT's Williams percent our pointer essentially is at 69.632 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition that exchange in every practical sense signal is truly conceivable at this reach. So Helium most certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $5.02 or so. They in every practical sense thought the MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line. After a hybrid truly further appearance how Helium backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly shows that as far as HNT support floor it in every practical sense is presently $4.27 in an all things considered significant way. Helium financial backers need to keep a close eye out for any change in direction over the everyday outline in every way that really counts. HNT's Williams percent our pointer is at 69.632 for the last 14 days, which shows that a neutral condition exchange is possible at this point. Despite what most people think, Helium has a medium-term resistance at $5.02. RSI is showing a close oversold stage while trading at 36 and is trying to buy and large breakout of the negative zone. This shows how Helium cost investigation HNT cost examination for the 23rd of May 2023 in a really everyday time period generally made sense of beneath so many alternative digital currencies, as ETHRUM has seen a price increase of 0.12% to 1813.92 in the last 24 hours. But before it dropped really. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from going into default. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to